So I want to show you guys how I went from this to this using my TYMO Porta. It's cordless, so it's great for those rushed mornings when you need to leave early to beat traffic, even if you're not finished getting ready. So this is how I style my hair to create beach waves inside my car. But first things first, you have to apply a heat protectant before styling. Next, just turn on the TYMO Porta, and I like to use the highest heat setting since I'm going to curl my hair. So basically, you just have to take a section of your hair, wrap it around the TYMO Porta, and just keep twisting it downwards to get that curl. Do the same thing until all the sections of your hair have been curled. Don't be afraid if your hair is twisting around the base of the TYMO Porta because that actually helps give that added curl. So once you're done with one side, you can move on to the other side. Just repeat the same wrap and twist technique until all sections of your hair are finished. For more volume, you can also add a sea salt spray and scrunch up your hair for more texture. And finally, just comb through your hair to get natural looking beach waves. I'm a beginner at styling, but this is surprisingly really easy to do, and it all just took me 15 minutes. So give it a try and start styling wherever you are with TYMO Porta.